Let's pick up stitches from a finished edge. In this case, I have a piece of fabric that I've knit. I did a long tail cast on and I knit in one direction. And now I need to come back to the finished edge, you know, that cast on edge, and I need to pick up stitches and knit in the opposite direction. To do that, I need to find the first column of stitches that where I'm going to begin picking up. I put a little marker here, and I'm going to just pick up using my needle. I'm going to need to go through that top stitch. You don't want to go right under the bind off chain because it'll end up making the stitches look a bit offset. So what you really want to do is make sure you're going through the first stitch in that column. I'm going to grab my main yarn here. I'm going to lay the yarn over the needle and just pull it through, just like that. And then I need to find the next stitch in the next row, and again, don't pick up right under the bind off chain. You want to go through the stitch, through the middle of the stitch. Wrap the yarn over the needle and pull it through. Well, I split the yarn. And there's the second stitch. Find the next column. Again, don't pick up under that bind off chain, go through the stitch.